challenge also for us today, because that's also a call to liberate ourselves individually and collectively from the bane of mediocrity. I think if something you as consultants and professionals, you could do this to this city, to Tamil Nadu and nation, to somehow liberate our institutions. Of course, we have islands of excellence, no doubt about it. There are individuals who are excellent. There are also select organizations which are excellent. But still we have islands of excellence, but collectively we don't have a culture of excellence, and that was a clarion call. Particularly, I think you should play the proactive lead in not only limiting yourself to the corporate world. Our academic world particularly needs a complete rehaul, and hope Subramaniam will take initiative to organize, to confront our educational system, which has become excellent symbols of mediocrity. If you want to, all our institutions, whether it's, I don't want to name any university, it will become political. But it is like that. Let me say something. Some years before, professor of ours, Professor Miranda, that was the year they allowed exams in Tamil, the undergraduate exams. It was a history paper. The question was critically evaluate the contributions of King Ashoka. You know that. And that guy has written Tamil. I saw it, so I said, I saw the paper. Normally when you write here, the academic criterion here is, history paper means if you write 1 page, 1 mark. 2 page, 2 mark. What you write is not important. If you write 10 page, you will get 10 marks. This is what students know. We all know that way. This guy had written, critically evaluate the contributions of King Ashoka. I'll say in Tamil, sorry the other friends, Ashokar Marangal Nattar. Ashokar சாலைகளின் வலதுபுறத்திலும் மரங்கள் நட்டார், இடதுபுறத்திலும் மரங்கள் நட்டார். அசோகர் காய்க்கும் மரங்கள் நட்டார். அசோகர் பழங்கள் காய்க்கும் மரங்கள் நட்டார். அசோகர் பறவைகள் வந்து இருக்கும் மரங்கள் நட்டார். எழுதிட்டான், 2 பக்கம் எழுதிட்டான். 2 pages filled up. ஆனா அதோட உற்றுப்பானா 2 மார்க் கொடுத்துருக்கலாம். சரி, yes, filled up 2 pages. அந்த திருத்துற வாத்தியார் எவ்வளவு முட்டாள் நினைக்கிறான்னா, இவ்வளவு எழுதிவிட்டு கடைசியில் எப்படி கன்க்ளூட் பண்ணியிருக்காருன்னா, மரமா நட்டார் அவர் அப்படின்னு ஒரு ஆச்சரிய குறிப்பு போட்டார். So this is what we see. This is typically the case with most of our institutions. They have become centers of mediocrity. Other institutions thinking that only results matter. Yeah, if an institution gets 100%, of course, with due respect to some of the finest institutions, that doesn't fascinate me. Only when it creates holistic human beings who are connected to the community, connected to the past, future, and the entire destiny of the human kind and this universe, then only I consider that institution excellent institution. Therefore, I think that's a challenge for you. Now, conclude this way. When you talk of excellence, like managing the vision, as a Christian priest, I've been amazed of the person of this Jesus. And he had only 12 apostles, okay? He had 12 apostles who created the entire, in terms of longevity, 2000 years organization. In terms of wealth, nobody knows. In terms of, it is, and 12 people, all of them educated except one. Only one guy was educated. You know who was that? Judas, who betrayed him. Yeah, he was the only educated guy. In fact, he was the only professional out there who was an accountant who betrayed Jesus. Otherwise, one was a fisherman, other was a tax collector, other was an ordinary mason kind of thing. And they created this entity called church. So excellence is just not being professionals, but I think it's an inner attitude, a conviction, an attitude, and a continuous passion and search. I wish you passion, convictions, and continuous search for meaning and fulfillment. God bless you. Thank you very much, Mr. Subramaniam and team, for this evening. It was wonderful. It was wonderful spending time here.